Hold up, stop everything you're doing and listen close, because the ghost of mobile past just came back as a futuristic titan. We are witnessing the resurrection of a legend that once defined what it meant to have power in your pocket. Do you remember the late 90s and early 2000s? When our parents told us, get a Nokia, it'll outlast the house. That indestructible brick energy, that 10-day battery life, that unshakable trust, it was the heartbeat of a generation. Then, the name faded. The lion went to sleep. But guys, wake up, because that lion is back, it's evolved, and it is absolutely starving. If you're hunting for a 5G powerhouse in 2026, that doesn't just compete but actually obliterates everything in its path, your search ends today. Nokia isn't just making a comeback, they're launching a technological tsunami called the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G. In this video, we aren't just reading a spec sheet. We are dissecting the DNA of a device that puts current flagships to shame. We're talking about a camera that sees things the human eye misses, a processor that thinks faster than you do, and a battery that treats chargers like an afterthought. And the price? Let's just say the big three smartphone brands are officially sweating. Smash that like button if you're ready for the Nokia revolution, and let's dive into the most ambitious unboxing in mobile history. Features of the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G. Display. Let's talk about that unshakable trust we mentioned earlier. We've all seen the memes of the old Nokias breaking the floorboards when dropped. Well, the Play 2 Max 5G takes that brick energy and refines it into a titanium-grade aerospace frame. This isn't just marketing speak. We're talking about a chassis that is chemically bonded to resist bending, warping, or even the most brutal of impacts. Let's talk about the window to the soul of this machine, the display. This isn't your average screen. It's a massive 6.92-inch 2K plus punch-hole Super AMOLED masterpiece. We're looking at a staggering resolution of 3210 x 1440 pixels. The pixel density is so high that if you tried to spot a single grain or a jagged edge, your eyes would give up before the screen does. This isn't just a display, it's a portal. The colors are so deep and saturated that watching HDR content feels like you've stepped inside the frame. We're talking black hole levels of true black, and whites so brilliant you could check your emails on a sun-drenched beach in Malibu, or the sand dunes of Dubai without even squinting. But the real game changer is the 144Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through your feed feels like sliding on ice, completely effortless. And for the gamers, the 480Hz touch sampling rate means the phone registers your movements before you've even finished the gesture. Lag and stutter have been deleted from the dictionary. And because Nokia knows you're going to take this thing everywhere, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3. Throw it in a pocket with your keys, drop it on the sidewalk, this phone laughs at gravity. It's that old school Nokia toughness, wrapped in a 2026 tuxedo. It also rated IP69K. That's not just don't drop it in the pool water resistance. That's high pressure steam jet resistance. You could literally take this phone on a deep sea dive or through a Sahara sandstorm, and it would come out looking like it just left the showroom. Nokia isn't building a phone you replace every 12 months, they're building a companion for the next decade. Camera setup. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, that monstrous camera module on the back. I've reviewed hundreds of devices, but I have never seen a setup this aggressive. Buckle up, because this is the world's first 300 megapixel giant sensor. Now, I know what you're thinking, pixels aren't everything. And you're right, but 300 megapixels combined with this sensor size, it's a tactical advantage. You could stand at the back of a stadium during the Super Bowl, and zoom in to read the name on the back of the quarterback's jersey. While the competition is playing with 10x or 20x, Nokia is claiming a mind-bending 100x digital zoom. But the real flex is the PureView Pro technology. Using 16-in-1 pixel binning, this sensor acts like a vacuum for light. In pitch-black conditions where other phones see noise and grain, this beast produces shots that look like they were taken at high noon. The supporting cast is just as impressive. You've got a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 122-degree field of view, perfect for those massive landscape shots of the Grand Canyon. Then there's the 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens for 5x optical zoom, giving you that creamy, DSLR-style background blur. And for the creators out there, the 50-megapixel autofocus front camera makes your TikToks and Reels look like they were shot on a $5,000 professional rig. Night selfies, sharp as a razor, performance. So, what's the brain behind the beauty? Nokia didn't just bring a knife to a gunfight, they brought a railgun. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, this is the fastest, most power-efficient chip ever conceived. Whether you're rendering 8K video on the go, juggling 50 background apps, or playing the most demanding AAA mobile games at max settings with a steady 120 FPS, this phone won't even break a sweat. It's backed by up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and a massive 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. And here is my favorite part. It runs a bone-stock version of Android 16. No bloatware, no annoying pre-installed apps you can't delete, and no weird skin slowing things down. Just pure, unadulterated speed. It's the smoothest Android experience you will find in 2026, period. Plus, for those who miss the connecting people era, the Sky-linked satellite connectivity feature ensures you're never off the grid. Whether you're hiking the Himalayas or sailing the Pacific, you've got emergency SOS and text capabilities powered by global satellite clusters. It's not just a phone, it's a lifeline. This is the ultimate no-compromise flagship of 2026. Battery backup, but all that power is useless if the phone dies by lunchtime. Nokia hasn't forgotten its roots. They've packed in a legendary 9000 mAh powerhouse. Let that sink in for a second. Most flagships are still struggling to hit 5000 mAh. This isn't a battery, it's a statement of independence. For a heavy user, this is a 48-hour phone. For a casual user, you might go 3 or 4 days without even looking for a wall outlet. And when you finally do need juice, the 120-watt ultra-fast charger takes you from 0 to 100% in about 25 minutes. It even supports 50-watt wireless charging. This is the end of battery anxiety as we know it. Price and launch date. Now, for the part that's going to break the internet, the price. If I told you this phone cost $1,600, you'd probably say, yeah, that's fair for these specs. But Nokia is playing for keeps. Leaks and industry insiders are pointing toward a starting price of just $899. Let that sink in. For under $900, you are getting hardware that Apple and Samsung charge nearly double for. This is a direct declaration of war against the status quo. We're expecting this monster to hit the US market around August or September 2026. My advice: start saving now, because when the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G drops, it's not just a product launch, it's the end of the smartphone era as we know it in the beginning of a new reign. So, what do you think? Is Nokia back on the throne, or is this too good to be true? Drop a comment below and let me know if you're making the switch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for the full performance review coming next week. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.